I'm telling you guys, this is the best kebab on the Wirral. No cap. In my wrap. You get me? Yo, my people, you're good? Yeah, we're back again with another food review. Tonight, I've gone to my favourite kebab shop in the whole Wirral. Gone to Indian Russi on Speeder Road in Bunborough. Sweet chili doner kebab with naan bread, and I think these are like chicken ball type of things, yeah? Look at that. Bro. Let's give it a taste test. Cheers. It's packed with flavour. It's juicy. It's tender. It's fresh as well. Oh God. Sensational. Oh, it's beautiful, man. You lot, get yourselves down to Indian Russi because you will not regret it. Got some chili sauce as well. Put it about in there. Apparently, this chili sauce is really hot. I'll be the judge of that. I can handle my spice. Yeah. Blood clot. That is hot. Oh God. It's hot, but it makes the kebab better though. Gives it way more flavour. If you love a kebab that's juicy and full of flavour, this is definitely for you. 10, man. Look at that. Naan bread as well. Naan bread is lovely. That long. Some type of chicken ball. It's nice as well. But the kebab, best. They do the best kebab, man. If you think there's a place on the Wirral that does better kebabs than this, let me know. I highly doubt it. This is a 10. 10 out of 10, no cap. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, follow, and don't be a hater. Peace.